Today's we are going to talk about the fertilization in mammals. So we are completely discuss about the types and mechanism of fertilization. So let's start. If we are talking about the definition of fertilization, then it will be the fertilization is a process in which two haploid gametes fuse to form one diploid zygote. You can see here. To ensure that each zygote has exact number of the chromosome, so only one sperm can fuse only one egg. Fertilization in mammals occur in oviduct and ova is visible for approximately 24 hours after the ovulation. So this is the structure of ovum and sperm. This is the internal structure. Next, mechanism of fertilization. First, encounter of the spermatozoa and ova. Second is the capitation and contact. Third is the acrosomal reaction and the penetration. Fourth is the fusion of the sperm within the egg. And fifth is the activation of ovum. So, first step is the encounter of the spermatozoa and ova. During the fertile phase, millions of the sperm travel from the vagina to uterus into the fallopian tube. The primary need is to the fluid medium for the act of the fertilization and delivery of the sperm to the egg at the right time. So in next slide, like this, we can see the number of the sperm travel in the uterus. Okay, next is types of fertilization. Internal fertilization and external fertilization occur in the female body and parental care is involved and it necessary for the survival of the individual. For example, mammals. Now we are talking about the external fertilization. External fertilization occur outside of the female body and increase the number of the egg to ensure the survival of the species like fishes. Next is the capitation and contact. Sperm undergo maturation within the female reproductive tract. Vaginal secretions cause a molecular change in the sperm plasmalemma. It takes 4 to 5 hours in humans. स्पर्म जो है वो कुछ देर के लिए विजिना में स्टे करता है, वहाँ वो मैच्योर होता है. जो विजिनल सिक्रेशंस हैं वो स्पर्म के प्लाज्मा में जो प्रोटीन है उसको रिमूव कर देती हैं, जिसकी वजह से स्पर्म ज़्यादा ट्रैवल कर सकता है. स्पर्म की वी कैन से फ्लूइडिटी इंक्रीज होती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में दिखाया गया है. इस वीडियो में स्पर्म दिखाई गई हैं जो कि वो में जाने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं. ये सेल्स ऑफ कोरोना रेडिएटास हैं, इसके बाद जोना पेल्विसिडा है और प्रीविटिलाइन स्पेस. Next slide, acrosomal reaction and penetration. When the acrosomal reaction occur, a number of the proteolytic enzymes are released or exposed. One or more of these enzymes is responsible for the digesting the whole through the zona pellucida, through which the sperm enters the प्रीविटिलाइन स्पेस. इस स्लाइड में सारा प्रोसीजर दिखाया गया है. जैसे फर्स्ट वन में स्पर्म एक्टिवेटेड बाय द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक्ट. सेकंड स्टेप में स्पर्म बाइंड्स जोना पेल्विसिडा. ठीक है. थर्ड स्टेप में एक्रोसोमल रिएक्शन, यहाँ पे एक्रोसोमल रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस हुआ है. फोर्थ में स्पर्म लेज होल इन जोना. एंड फिफ्थ वन में स्पर्म एंड एग मेम्ब्रेन फ्यूज. इसमें स्पर्म और एक्टिव मेम्ब्रेन जो है फ्यूज हो गई है. ओके, I think I'm clear. And the next fusion of the sperm within the egg. The male nucleus enters the egg cytoplasm and become the male chronicoli. As a result of the sperm fusion with the egg plasmalemma, the oocyte nucleus, which is at metaphase of the second mitotic division, completes the division, giving rise to another polar body. Following the second mitotic division, what is now the nucleus of the ovum become the female pronucleus. The haploid male and female pronuclei move toward one another, meet and fuse to form the diploid nucleus to zygote. Okay. Next, activation of ovum. A series of morphological, physiological and molecular change that occur in the egg is responsible for the fusion of the sperm with the egg. Now this lecture is going to be its accomplishment. You can ask me any type of the question friendly and frankly, or you can also comment it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.